What if some of the simplest things in your kitchen could actually change the way your home feels in just a few days? I'm talking about everyday items most people ignore or throw away without thinking twice. So I decided to try a bunch of natural home hacks for a full week to see what actually works. And honestly, a few of the results surprised me more than I expected. A lot of people are trying to save money, reduce chemicals in their homes, and make daily life a little easier. But the internet is full of miracle hacks, and it's hard to know which ones are real and which ones are just hype. That's why I wanted to test a few simple, natural home tricks myself for 7 days straight. These were easy things anyone can try. No expensive tools, no complicated steps, and nothing that takes hours to do. Just small habits using things like lemon, baking soda, vinegar, and a few simple routines that people say can improve your home and even support a healthier lifestyle. By the end of the week, I noticed some clear winners, a couple of surprises, and one hack that honestly changed the way I'll do things from now on. If you've ever wondered whether these natural tricks actually work, this might help you decide what's worth trying. On day one, I started with one of the most popular home hacks out there, using baking soda for odor control. I placed a small bowl of baking soda in the fridge and another near the trash area. At first, it seemed too simple to make a difference, but after about a day, the space already felt fresher. What makes this interesting is that baking soda is great at absorbing odors instead of just covering them up. Many store-bought sprays simply add a scent, but this trick works quietly in the background. It's one of those small changes that doesn't cost much but can improve how your kitchen smells every day. On day two, I tried a lemon and warm water cleaning trick for surfaces. I wiped down a few counters using a mix of lemon juice and water. Not only did it smell fresh, but the surfaces looked cleaner and brighter without using heavy chemical cleaners. There's also something motivating about using natural ingredients. When your home smells clean in a light, fresh way instead of a strong, artificial scent, it actually makes the space feel calmer. That might sound small, but mood and environment are more connected than people realize. Day 3 was about improving airflow and natural freshness. I opened windows for a short time in the morning and added a simple bowl of citrus peels near a warm area of the kitchen. Within hours, the room smelled naturally fresh. Fresh air is one of the underrated home habits. Many people keep windows closed most of the time, but even a little air circulation can make a home feel lighter and cleaner. It's a simple habit that costs nothing and can make a noticeable difference. Day 4 was a food-related hack that many people talk about, storing certain fruits properly to make them last longer. I moved apples and lemons into a better storage setup and kept them dry and spaced out. By the next couple of days, I noticed they stayed fresher than usual. Food waste is something most households deal with without realizing how much money it adds up to. Small storage habits can help food last longer, which means fewer trips to the store and less waste overall. Over time, that actually makes a difference. Day 5 focused on a natural mix people use for quick home freshness. I used a light spray made from water and a little vinegar to clean a few areas that usually collect smells. It worked especially well around the sink area and kitchen surfaces. What surprised me was how quickly the smell faded after cleaning, leaving the space neutral and clean instead of heavily scented. It made me realize that sometimes clean doesn't need to smell strong. A simple, fresh environment can feel even better. Day 6 was about a small habit that many people overlook, keeping frequently used spaces tidy for just a few minutes each day. I spent about 5 minutes clearing counters, organizing a couple of items, and wiping down surfaces. The result wasn't dramatic at first, but by the end of the day, the home looked noticeably better. This is where many natural home hacks really shine. It's not always about one big trick. Sometimes it's about combining simple habits that slowly improve your environment without extra effort. But the biggest surprise came on day 7 when I combined several of these small hacks together. Fresh air in the morning, natural cleaning, simple odor control, and quick daily tidying all working at the same time. Suddenly, the home didn't just look cleaner, it actually felt more comfortable and more relaxing. That's when it really clicked for me. The real power of natural home hacks isn't just one trick. It's how small changes add up and improve your daily environment in a way you notice every day. And the best part is that most of these ideas cost almost nothing. Many people spend money trying to fix problems that simple habits can improve naturally. Once you see how effective these small changes are, it's hard to go back. After trying natural home hacks for 7 days, I learned that the simplest solutions are often the most useful. Baking soda helped control odors, lemon made cleaning feel fresher, better food storage reduced waste, and small daily habits made the whole home feel more organized. You don't have to try everything at once. Even starting with 1 or 2 of these ideas can make a difference in how your home looks, smells, and feels. Over time, these small changes can also save money and make daily life easier. If you enjoyed this experiment and want to see more simple home and health tips like this, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps the channel grow and lets me know you want more content like this. Now I'm curious about something. What's one natural home hack you've tried that actually worked for you? Let me know in the comments because your tip might help someone else improve their home too.